The newly on-the-road dung beetle was still inexperienced, pressing the little frogs down and making them cry out. As a lump of dung fell from the sky, the dung beetle knew it was mealtime. It had to reach the destination within a minute. For dung beetles, dung balls are not just food, but also essential for mating. However, a good dung ball will attract others to snatch it. For example, just as this dung beetle finished rolling its dung ball, it was attacked by another dung beetle. But as more dung beetles joined in, a dung ball defense battle began.